Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to add WhatsApp button on Instagram post. So here you will just open the Instagram app, and first you will mind it your account is on business mode, not a personal account. Your account has been on business, so you will see this professional dashboard. So here you will just edit the profile, and you will just a little bit scroll down, and here you will see the contact option. So you will just click to WhatsApp business phone number. So here you can just add your WhatsApp business phone number and just send it to codes and copy the code of verification and put them back on this Instagram. So enter the code of 5 digits, so it will be confirmed. It's a verification process. So WhatsApp added, so you will see now you can create WhatsApp ads with Instagram. So this is how. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.